I know of a person who went for regular health checkups from a young age on his father's advice. Since his teens, he has regularly monitored his heart, kidneys, blood, and other health aspects. He had years of data about his own body. In 2021, he had a recurring nose infection. His resting heart rate had increased from 50 to 90 beats per minute. He underwent a complete blood count. He was diagnosed with acute lymphoblastic leukemia. The cancer cells had penetrated his nervous system. Of the approximately 6 kg of blood in his body, 2.5 kg had been infiltrated by cancer cells. 30 to 40% of his blood cells turned cancerous in just 2 months. His cancer treatment began, and he recommends people to pay attention to changes in their body that can be monitored using smartwatches. He was fortunate to consult his doctor early. India observes National Cancer Awareness Day on November 7th to spread awareness about cancer prevention, early detection, and the importance of regular screenings. Click on the links to watch cancer-related videos on Peter the Rock.